So welcome to the portal Silang Medical Services Analytics. So today I'll be using the doctor account to provide you the full view of the analytics. As if I use the other user roles, the analytics will show the limited scope of the functionalities. Anyway, let's continue. So if you're the doctor, you'll be able to see all the barangays partnered with the Silang Medical Services Analytics. So as an example, we could currently see the Lumen Analytics. And below, if you scroll down a bit, we could see the Puting Kahoy Analytics. So you might ask, why is the Puting Kahoy Analytics is currently not does not have any line or indication of an analytics? So let me explain. Since the current date medical records existing in the database are all from Lumil, that's why the Lumil has a basis of the medical records. However, the Puting Kahoy medical record database does not contain any records existing currently. So basically, this is the empty state of the analytics. Anyway, let's go back to the analytics of Lumil for our basis for this discussion. So if you hover on a specific month, it will show up the severity of each month. For example, if we go hover on March 2022, there are 8 severe cases, 14 mild cases, and 17 moderate cases. And if we want to remove a specific category or severity from this analytics, we could just click this legend, and if it will automatically deselect the specific category from the dataset. So now, since the mild category is left, we could only see the mild category throughout the chart. And if we click moderate, we'll be able to see the moderate severity again. And we could also change the data timestamp. So we could, if the user wants to see a specific data set, for example, from February 2022 to April of 2022. As you can see, there are only 3 months existing in this data timestamp. And to view a specific month analytics report or data, we just have to click the months below, as I am currently hovering it. So if we click March, it will show the specific data of each month. So since the analytics for March 2022 has 14 mild cases, 7 moderate cases, and 8 severe cases. It will show up here in the pie chart. So the pie chart consists of every diseases that has happened on that specific month. For example, for HIV, this is just an example data, so please don't make it a big thing or a serious thing. For our in the medical record database, there are 3 HIV AIDS, 3 cases in March of 2022, and there are 2 stomach aches reported in March of 2022, and so on and so forth. You could also, similar from the previous components, you could also deselect specific diseases so that the pie chart would show a specific uh, range of diseases in the diagram. Um, and that's about it for the pie chart. So now let's move on to the specific cases. So in the part of this component, you could see the mild, moderate, and severe list of each client. Citizen. So for example, Matthew has a cold. Its severity is under the mild condition, and for the moderate, Andrew Donald has malaria, and severe HIV/AIDS for Donald Steven. So this record could be clicked, so you will be directly moved to that specific medical record for internal users to check whether the diagnosis was correct or if they have any inputs regarding that medical record. Anyway, we're going back to the analytics part. So from there, the internal users could discuss regarding this specific month. For example, they want to discuss if they want to have an action relating to the um, diagnosis, record diagnosis. For example, there's a spike of stomach aches. I think they may be able to communicate with one another to form in an event to prevent stomach aches from happening. So let's just add a test comment, and a specific user could also delete his or her comment. So that's about it for the analytics component. Thank you.